Okay, so the biofuel that I chose is biodiesel. For the title, I put from photosynthesis to power the biodiesel solution. The process. The biofuel biodiesel is a renewable fuel that is made from biological materials. It is most commonly used in diesel engines. Biodiesel is actually an alternative to petroleum diesel. Here, I drew the renewable resource that is takes energy from CO2 and sun energy. And then you can see in this process that it goes to crop refining and then it goes to food products. Biodiesel production, which is what it produces. And then whenever biodiesel is made, it actually makes glycerin, and that is used for cosmetics. And then it goes to the renewable fuel that is like diesel. And it is used for existing technology. Like as here it says that it is most commonly used for diesel engines. So this is the process that it goes through, and I drew it out just so that y'all can see that how this type of biofuel is made. But what is it made of? Biodiesel is from a process called transesterification. This process converts the oil and fat into a usable sorry, this process converts the oil and fat into a usable fuel. It separates the fat and oil into the biofuel, biodiesel, and glycerin. In the biological stage for biodiesel, triglyceride is the essential ingredient. Biodiesel goes through a process of photosynthesis. This is where the plant captures CO2 and water and converts it into chemical energy in the form of sugars. The sugar biomass then synthesizes the fats and oils. This triggers transerification, and methane is released and speeds up the reaction. And methane is the alcohol that is what causes it to speed up the reaction. And then here I drew a chart that 52% of soybean oil is what is usually what biodiesel is made of, but there's also 2% other canola oil, which is 8%, corn oil 11%, used cooking oil 13%, and then animal fats is 14%. Its carbon footprint. It actually has a positive impact on footprint by having significant lower levels than other biofuels. This is what makes the development of biodiesel being wanted in high demand because of how it reduces greenhouse emissions. So it has a really good, like, it is most wanted because it's better for our environment as it reduces having greenhouse emissions, sorry. So, next. And its effect on economy, we can see in this chart here that it actually increases the amount of money spent on soybean oil, canola oil, and soybeans oil. So it actually has a really good impact on the economy because it is having these types of products being bought more by people that are wanting to create this biodiesel. Okay, let's say there's a scenario that funding was not an obstacle, that we could produce how much ever amount of biodiesel and be able to have everything available. Um, it would be to, if we had this unlimited amount of money, then I would have to address the feedstock supply so that we're able to produce more. And a way that we can have this happen is by I mean, by using waste products of animal fat and cooking oils. Also, technology is another major thing that can help because if we had better technology, then the efficiency would be better and we could produce more. So that is the plan that I would have if there was unlimited funding. And then these are the citations.